Memory is an essential part of our lives. It helps us remember important information, recall past experiences, and learn new things. However, many of us struggle with memory loss or forgetfulness, which can be frustrating and challenging. But the good news is that there are ways to improve your memory power and enhance your cognitive abilities. Firstly, it's important to exercise your brain regularly. Just like physical exercise strengthens your muscles, mental exercise strengthens your brain. You can do this by engaging in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, crosswords, or memory games. This will help improve your memory and cognitive function over time. Secondly, getting enough sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. When you sleep, your brain processes and consolidates the information you have learned during the day. So make sure you get enough sleep each night to help your brain function at its best. Thirdly, a healthy diet can also improve your memory power. Eating foods that are rich in antioxidants, omega-3, fatty acids, and vitamins can help protect your brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Lastly, staying motivated and positive is key to improving your memory power. Believe in yourself and your ability to improve, and don't give up if you don't see results right away. Remember that every small step you take towards improving your memory is a step in the right direction. In conclusion, improving your memory power is possible with the right mindset, habits, and lifestyle choices. So start exercising your brain, getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and staying motivated. With time and effort, you can enhance your cognitive abilities and to improve your memory power. Thank you.